Carlisle Motors is pleased to offer this gorgeous 1965 Corvette Convertible 4-speed with factory air. This rare, NCRS Regional Top Flight, award-winning car was owned by the original owner until 2013. She purchased the car brand new from Sands Chevrolet in Glendale, Arizona as a birthday present for herself for her 21st birthday. She was kind enough to type up and sign a letter which tells the history of the car. That letter, written and signed by her, comes with the car along with a copy of the original title and the original Protecto plate. The second titled owner of this car treated it to a full body off, nut and bolt restoration. The stack of receipts for this restoration add up to nearly $64,000, and this restoration was done with the sole purpose and goal of winning the NCRS Regional Top Flight Award, which the second owner achieved, scoring a grand total of 94.4, winning the prestigious Top Flight Award in 2016 at the North Central Regionals in Minnesota. The beautiful blue ribbon that this car won in 2016 comes with the car along with the scoring sheets and a full set of pictures documenting the extensive, body off, nut and bolt restoration. The car is numbers matching throughout and fully documented and is believed to have just 53,700 actual miles. The car is currently titled on an Arizona title, which is an actual mileage title. Did I mention it has factory air? That is indeed a very rare option on a convertible, 4-speed Corvette. It comes only with a hard top, which is exactly how the original owner ordered it. Please take a look at all the photos, read the letter from the original owner, and feel free to call me with any questions you may have. Although no car is ever 100% perfect, this car comes close to being just about perfect in every way. A solid 9+ out of 10 and just spectacular in every way, this car will be a gem in anyone's collection. Thanks for looking at our cars, and please call me at 832-289-5750 if you have any questions, want to come see the car in person, or if you want to make an offer. Ask for Calvin.